Words, nothing but words need to show how much my love for you unfolds. Hindi ako dun. This was so real. Thank you. And I needed to know, even though sa mga nag-imbis ng Manila Flex. Alright! Did you like it? Yun ay ilan sa mga awiting kinanta ko for teleseries and ABS-CBN. Sabi ko nga lang na? Medyo mainit, ano? Ang init po dyan, di ba? Eh, nasa tingin niyo nararamdaman ko ngayon. Anong sabihin niyo sa 4 na kilo po yung aking suot ngayon? Alright. This next song actually that I am going to sing is one of my first singles from my very first album back in 2004. Kung nag-uso pa po ang CDs and cassettes. Sino ang nakaabot dito? Nakaabutan ang CDs and cassettes. Proud tayo. Mga aging millennials. Di ba? To this day, mga kaibigan, I still consider this as one of the best OPM songs entrusted to me. A song that expresses love in the purest and most heartfelt lyrics and melody. I hope you still remember this one. I love you too. Sino ka? Nasa ka? May-ari ng mundo, ibibigay ang lahat ng gusto mo.